y'all, welcome to Soulsome Foodie. Today we'll be featuring these quick, easy, and delicious chocolate covered strawberries. Let's jump right into ingredients. Here you see I have some white chocolate chips. You can use dark chocolate or milk chocolate. These are the ones I really like. I also have some sprinkles you can decorate with anything you choose, some parchment paper, and a dozen strawberries. I just finished following the directions on the back of my white chocolate chips, and this is the texture you're going to be looking for whatever you choose to dip your berries in. So if it's white chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, you want it to be this texture and this consistency right here. Now it's time for dipping. So as you can see, I'm just moving the stem out of the way here for this berry. I dip it straight into the white chocolate, and then I'm going to swirl it around to get the chocolate to cover most of the red of the berry. And right now, while it's still wet, this is pretty important. This is when you want to apply any decorations. So don't wait for it to dry because the decorations will not stick. And I'm just going to go ahead and just do this for the rest of this dozen berries. It's super easy, super simple. You totally don't have to buy chocolate covered berries because you can really just make it at home pretty efficiently, pretty quickly, and they're actually really good. So again, quick tip, remember to decorate your berry when the chocolate is still wet. That's when you want to get the decorations on there. All right, so I'm just going to speed through this and you'll see how easily these all come together. So I chose to do half of the berries decorated with these pink sprinkles and then half of them with no decoration at all. So you'll see that I did that here. Again, you can choose all kinds of fun decorations. They have little pearl decorations and glitter decoration and actual mini chocolate chips that will be really cute on here. Once you have dipped all of your berries, you will want to make sure that they set and harden. You can put them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and voila, here's how they look. Super fun. You can do this with your kids or your partner. Really easy. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.